War and news vocabulary. Word number 1. Annihilation. Annihilation means total, irreversible destruction. Example 1. The city faced complete annihilation after the attack. Example 2. The army warned of annihilation if the war continued. Word number 2. Testify. Testify means to give evidence or speak officially. Example 1. The soldier testified about what he saw. Example 2. Witnesses testified in court about the attack. Word number 3. Obliterated. Obliterated means completely destroyed. Example 1. The village was obliterated by bombs. Example 2. The explosion obliterated the building. Word number 4. Caught. Caught means captured or found unexpectedly. Example 1. The soldiers caught the enemy at night. Example 2. Civilians were caught in the conflict. Word number 5. Casualties. Casualties means people injured or killed. Example 1. There were many casualties after the strike. Example 2. The report confirmed civilian casualties. Word number 6. Depleted. Depleted means reduced or used up. Example 1. Their resources were depleted during the war. Example 2. Food supplies became depleted quickly. Word number 7. Deployed. Deployed means sent troops or equipment to a place. Example 1. Troops were deployed near the border. Example 2. The army deployed tanks in the city. Word number 8. Ceasefire. Ceasefire means an agreement to stop fighting. Example 1. Both sides agreed to a ceasefire. Example 2. The ceasefire lasted only 2 days. Word number 9. Deteriorate. Deteriorate means to become worse. Example 1. The situation began to deteriorate rapidly. Example 2. Conditions deteriorated after the attack. Word number 10. Aggression. Aggression means hostile or violent behavior. Example 1. The country was accused of aggression. Example 2. Aggression led to the conflict.